Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new TWS to show you all, and this one is something special from Soundcore. Soundcore has recently launched their brand new TWS in the Indian market by the name Liberty Air 2 Pro, and today in this video we're gonna unbox and check out this product. So the Liberty Air 2 Pro are a hybrid active noise cancelling TWS and offer some really cool features which I'll tell you in this video. It comes in this sort of box packaging. You've got a picture of the TWS on the front, and talking about the technology, it comes with pure no drivers on board and also has wireless charging support, guys. Pretty cool, right? Going to the side, you've got some details regarding their pure note technology, where the drivers are like coated with 10 hardened nano layers, guys. I'll tell you about this at a later part in the video. And over here, it says that these TWS are actually recommended by 10 Grammy Award winners. At the back side, we've got some more details regarding the product, like it's got targeted ANC, pure note technology, and also has 6 noise cancelling microphones on board and offers 7 hours playback on a single charge. So those were some of the main highlights. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just open the box packaging and show you what do we have on the inside. Okay, so as soon as you open it, you've got some details regarding their special targeted ANC. You guys can just pause the video and read that info. First, let me just tear this seal over here and then show you how the TWS look like. There you go, these TWS are actually available in 3 different colors in India. The one we have right now are the white color edition. And my god, just have a look at this case. It looks like a piece of marble. Very beautiful. We'll just keep the case aside for now and let me take these TWS out. Wow. From my first impressions, I have to tell you, they look very gorgeous, especially in this white color. Quite premium, guys. So we'll just come back to them in a moment. Let me also show you what else do we get in the package. You get a Type-C cable for charging, some paperwork, just make sure to read this for all the info, and lots of pairs of ear tips in different sizes so you can choose the right one for you. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the actual product, the Liberty Air 2 Pro TWS from Soundcore. Holy moly, I have to say they're very beautiful looking. I guess these are one of the finest looking TWS I've seen in the recent times. These TWS come in a two-tone color finish with this beautiful white and silver color combination and look quite premium for the price. You've got the Soundcore branding over here, and above that you've got the touch area, guys, where you can interact and control a lot of functions. And if you talk about the build quality is very good. Body is entirely made of high quality polycarbonate, and the quality of the ear tips is also pretty nice. And you can observe that it's got lots of mics in different directions. I've told you, right, they feature 6 microphones for noise reduction, and these are the charging contacts. So that was our complete overview on the design of these earbuds. Let me just put them aside and also show you the charging case. Well, here you go. This is how the Liberty Air 2 Pro's charging case looks like. It's quite compact and also lightweight, not that heavy, you can easily carry it anywhere. Very beautiful finishing. You've just got the Soundcore logo at the top, while the rest of the body is in complete white in a matte finish. At the back side, you can see that you've got a Type-C port for charging and a Bluetooth pairing button beside that. And on the other side, you've got 3 LED indicators which represent the battery level. And going to the back side, there's nothing over here. So let me just open the charging case and show you. Okay, how does this open up? Oh, you need to slide this thing to open up. That is different. Sweet design. You can just simply slide it like this and easily access your TWS on the inside. Inside also, you've got a complete white finish only, guys, for that premium look and feel. So that's it. That was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. What I'll do is I'll just put them in the charging case and set them up, and then we'll talk about the comfort and the audio quality. So first, let me tell you about the comfort. Soundcore's new TWS feel lightweight and are quite comfortable to wear even on longer periods of usage. They do not fall off that easily and are IPX4 rated splash resistant. Now coming to the sound, to be honest guys, I was very impressed with the audio quality. They feature their signature 11mm pure note drivers and produce amazing quality sound. The mids feel crisp and clear, the vocal clarity was great, and you could easily understand all the dialogues with good details. The high frequency response was fine, but sometimes I felt the treble was slightly a bit sharp. Though by adjusting the EQ through Soundcore's smartphone app, I could easily solve this issue. The Soundcore's app offers up to 22 different EQ profiles to choose from, and you can do a lot of things from the app, like you can even tweak the ANC modes also. Anyways, coming back, if you ask about the bass, oh boy, the low frequency response is awesome. If you're a bass lover, you're gonna definitely love this TWS as it's got punchy bass with that nice low frequency kick. See, on the overall, the audio quality was great and you'll be quite satisfied with the results for the price that you're paying. The distortion was minimum even up to 95% volume level and the audio output was also loud. Wait a second, I haven't told you about the ANC, right? It features something known as targeted ANC. That means the TWS offers up to 3 different ANC modes which you can easily select from the app depending on the type of scenario that you're in. For example, you've got indoor mode, outdoor mode, and also transport mode. And I've been using it for the past few days, right? So let me tell you, the ANC was performing very well on this model. It blocks most of the unnecessary outdoor noise and low frequency sounds like the fan noise, vehicle engine sounds, and stuff like that. So you can purely enjoy music without any sort of disturbances. You do have ambient mode as well to easily have conversations or listen to any announcements without the need to take the earbuds out. Okay, we're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery. I'd say the battery life was decently good. On an average at 65% volume level with the ANC on, I was getting around 5.5 to 6 hours of battery life. But not to forget, the case can also charge your TWS 3 times additionally, so expect a total of around 20 to 21 hours of battery life. Well, that's it for today. That was our video on Soundcore's new hybrid ANC TWS, the Liberty Air 2 Pro. They're pretty nice wireless earbuds for the price. Look quite premium, excellent ANC performance, great audio with punchy bass and decent battery life. The only thing I felt is the TWS doesn't support multi-point connectivity and has limited Bluetooth audio codecs. It only supports SBC and AAC audio codecs. Anyways, they cost around 9,999 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.